I made this last night. It's pretty big. And I'm gonna throw it. And this is just a test flight. I did some last night, but I most likely will make another one, and it will be better than this. So, oh, that was really bad. That was really, really bad. Oh, there. So, that's where it went. Okay. The wind is going this way, so I'll throw it with the wind. That was pretty good. It's about the same as all my other test flights last night. So, dude, that one was better than the last one. That's really it, so I don't know when I'll do another video. I usually get them done like once a month, but I'll try to get them done faster. So, just once more, then video's done. Oh, that sucks. Okay. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Please. I need it.